Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Sonos Ace noise-canceling wireless over-ear headphones, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. What if I told you there's a pair of headphones that can transport you to another world? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But for some of us, our daily commute, workout routine, or even just lounging around the house is the most immersive experience we have. That's where the Sonos Ace comes in. It's designed to make you feel at one with the sounds that matter most to you. For those who live and breathe music, audiophiles, and anyone looking for an upgrade from their old headphones, the Sonos Ace is a game changer. Its ability to deliver lossless audio over Bluetooth or via USB-C makes it a dream come true for music enthusiasts. But what really sets these headphones apart is their industry-leading Dolby Atmos experience with dynamic head tracking. Imagine being able to pinpoint the exact location of every instrument, every voice, and every sound effect in your favorite movie or game. That's exactly what Sonos Ace offers, and it's all thanks to its innovative technology that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of it all. Whether you're a gamer, a music lover, or just someone who appreciates great sound quality, this feature is sure to blow your mind. Another key feature that stands out is its active noise cancellation. In a world where distractions are everywhere, this technology helps you tune out the noise and focus on what matters most, the sound itself. With it enabled, you can enjoy up to 30 hours of uninterrupted listening, perfect for long commutes or study sessions. But here's the thing, these headphones aren't just about delivering great sound quality, they're also designed with comfort in mind. The bespoke fit, plush memory foam, and soft vegan leather all come together to create an experience that's tailored to your specific needs. Whether you've got long hair, a big head, or just prefer a snug fit, the Sonos Ace is designed to suit everyone. So, how do these headphones perform in real life? The verdict is overwhelmingly positive. Customers rave about their comfort, sound quality, and overall performance. Some have mentioned that they can be a bit pricey, but for those who value great sound quality and are willing to invest in it, this might just be the best decision you've ever made. In my opinion, the Sonos Ace is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for new headphones. Its unique combination of innovative technology, great sound quality, and comfort make it a standout in its class. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates great sound quality, these headphones are sure to impress. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. The link to grab the Sonos Ace noise-canceling wireless over-ear is right below in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.